Hey, this is David Benjamin. I wanted to review a new healthy beverage today that I think you're going to love. So it's called Xoca, and it's pronounced Xoca, but it's spelled Xoca. The original fruit of the gods. Praise be to our simply superior cacao fruit soda. It's cacao plus nada. I think that means there's nothing else, and this one specifically, which I love. So first things first. It's sparkling water and reduced cacao. It's cacao fruit juice. So if you aren't familiar with cacao or chocolate, cacao has a fruit that surrounds the chocolate, and that fruit is what makes this soda. So it's the first of its kind. It's absolutely delicious. It actually settles into literally a fizzy soda, and if I pour it like this for you, you can see it actually fizzes and foams up on the top. Wow. It's absolutely delicious. It's got kind of it has a little bit of a chocolate flavor, but also kind of has like an earthy flavor. Absolutely delicious. That's the plain Xoca, which is delicious. I can see how they'd make a great mixer. A lot of people are using these for mixers with alcohol instead of Red Bull as a healthy alternative. It tastes absolutely delicious. I absolutely love it. What's great about it is it has theobromine, so it's great for the brain. It's good for energy levels, and it has all the nutrients that cacao has as well. So it's quite literally a healthy chocolate-based soda, and that's their first flavor, the plain flavor, which is great. That's actually my first time trying it, so that's my first impression. It's really, really, really good. I mean, replace soda with this, and you're going to be in better shape. And then this one, ladies and gentlemen, is absolutely exceptional. So I'm a huge fan of ginger. I eat ginger candies. I drink ginger beer, ginger tea, ginger everything. I love ginger. Xoca has when cacao fruit goes wild, chocolate ginger soda. And check this out. I loved that when I saw it, and I got these, and I got them shipped, and absolutely love the flavor and taste. But check this out. Listen to the ingredients. You're going to be even more impressed by the ingredients. Sparkling water, cacao fruit juice, organic bourbon vanilla, okay? Absolutely delicious and healthy for you. Organic ginger, organic cassia, which if you aren't familiar, cassia is essentially kind of like a cinnamon, and organic clove. Clove is one of the highest antioxidants, ORAC-rated antioxidants in the world, and I know that because it's in my product, Radiate Immunity. So the clove, the cassia cinnamon, the ginger, the vanilla, cacao fruit juice, and it's quite literally, it's a natural source of energy from theobromine. It's got B vitamins, which are a great source of energy. It has organic acids, which are antioxidants, and they're great for digestive health. And it's also a prebiotic, which is a precursor to your body producing probiotics, which is great for gut health and gut bacteria in general. So those are the ingredients right there. You can see them yourself. It might be a little blurry. Hopefully you can read that. But absolutely delicious. I love this. The taste of this ginger soda, I like the plain. It's really good because if you're looking for sort of like a Coke or Pepsi replacement, or like even like a Red Bull replacement as a drink mixer, this is amazing. But the ginger with that clove and cinnamon and vanilla, I had this last night, and we were playing a game last night, and I won more than there's 4 players, and I won more than anyone, and I'm accrediting it a little bit to the Xoca ginger, simply because the theobromine and all of the antioxidants and just additional nutritional value in this. It's absolutely delicious, and like honestly one of the best drinks I've ever had. I'm not just saying that. I make drinks myself personally. I make health tonics and things like that. This is something I highly, highly recommend. If you like ginger beer, this is better for multiple reasons. Number one, ginger beer, they just add a ton of sugar to it. This has no added sugar. And additionally, that like little spice you get from the clove and the cassia, which is cinnamon, and the ginger and the vanilla, and the chocolate juice is quite literally something Willy Wonka wishes he created but never did. I highly, highly, highly recommend Xoca ginger. If you like ginger beer especially, you're going to love, 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 love this. And the plain one is just a really good replacement. So check them both out. I'll link them up below. Highly recommend them. Just another healthy beverage review. Please like the video. Leave your comments below or questions, and check them out. I promise you will enjoy the flavor. See you in the next video. Bye.